Okay, so I guess we are on. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the High Masterclass number 14. Today, we have a real special masterclass. I think I say this every time we do a masterclass, but this one, it's like a summer masterclass. We have here Pedro Callas with us. He is a UI designer at High Interactive, one of the finest ones, by the way, and today he is here to talk to give us a brief presentation about UI design kits. So, hi Pedro, how are you?
Hello, I'm great. Thanks for
Okay.
asking.
Okay. Before you can start making the presentation, I will just advise you to read the article that Pedro has wrote, and it is in the description of this video. You can open the link, and then you can have the full guide of this masterclass. And today we are going to talk about what is a UI design kit, its pros and cons, and also the differences between the UI design kit and the design systems. And Pedro will lead you through the rest of the presentation. So, Pedro, can you take the presentation on?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Thank you. So I will start responding to the question what is a design UI kit and also what should include a UI design kit. So briefly, a UI design kit, as the name suggests, is a resource that contains all the styles like colors, fonts, spacing, etc., and also have the components, buttons, icons, inputs used in a solution in a specific solution. So this is what a UI design kit is. About the pros and cons about UI kit, because everything has always has pros and cons. So this resource has to. So about the pros, the first one is save time because designers can reuse components used in other solutions, and probably they need to change the colors and the fonts, and it's done, and it's valid to reuse to another project. Efficiency because the designers have the opportunity to be focused on specific problems. For example, a component that needs a specific for a project and needs to be created by scratch, and need to test it. The designers have the time to work on that. Consistency because the all the team have the knowledge of the characteristics of each component, and we can improve the components based in comments and feedback from other projects and other clients, and from another platforms. And finally, we can save money because we can speed up the UI phase from design process, and the designers need less time to create screens and prototypes to present and finish the solution. So about the cons, we have two. The first one is personalization. These things sometimes can take time because sometimes the clients need and want a personalization of our base style guide. So we need to spend more time doing the personalization. Um, and we also have another con about the UI design kits. That's the limit of our creativity, because sometimes we rely on UI kit and stop thinking about different solutions for the problem, and this create a basic product. And sometimes we need to innovate some products, and suggestion we have is try to use on less significant parts of the design the UI kit, and then spend more time doing some components that are specific for this project to be a different approach from the other ones. About the difference between the design system and the UI kit. So basically, the UI kit is less detailed and faster to produce because it's focused on UI as the name suggests. So this allows a designer to create new pages, new screens, and new prototypes faster. And this allows the rest of the team have the visibility to see the styles and the components used in the solution. A design system it's more advanced because it has all the rules and principles for designers, but for developers too. So it's more it has more information for both teams. In conclusion, both are great resources and great libraries, but UIKit do it to its speed in creation. It's a great resource used by designers when we need to build pages and prototypes and create solutions faster. Uh, and then here we have some examples we are think the are the great references in the market. So about the UI design kits, we have the Material Design UI kit from Google, iOS kit from Apple, and Velocity. It's UI kit mostly about dashboards and this type of graphics. We also have here three design systems we think are the best: Material Design from Google, Carbon from IBM, and also Uniform like Huddle's company. And I think that's all we want to share today. And thank you for watching.
Okay, Pedro. And that was a really great presentation, I must tell you. I didn't know much about the differences between UI design kits and design systems, and I think that you have explained it very in a very good way, in such a good way that I now think that I can say the differences between them, and I would also would like to thank everyone that stood by and watched this presentation until the end. And if you watched it until the end, I will also like you to drop us a like on this video. And also, if you have a question for me or Pedro that we can answer you, you can drop it on the comment section of this video. Then, and me or Pedro will answer you straight away as long as we see it. And without further to say, thank you all. Enjoy summer and see you on the next masterclass that I hope it's the September one. Thank you all.